But you are able to say that indeed the last year was very, very well. And that last year is still, it will end around March by God's table.
God is still saying something. Prophecy, prophecy, prophecy. When God's servant speaks forth, the wise listen. Deuteronomy 18 verse 22. God is still saying something. Prophet T.B. Joshua spent the beginning of the year at the Prayer Mountain. Let us listen to what he said about this year 2019.
I'm here to know the mind of God concerning this fearful year, 2019. Very, very fearful. I'm here to know the mind of God concerning this fearful year, and also to pray for you and the world at large. That is why I'm here.
Prophecy for 2020. Prophet T.B. Joshua.
You remember last year what God said through us, that this year is very, very, very fearful. That was the last year. And it was just a summary, I was telling you people. But I was not giving you people the detail. But you are able to say that indeed, the last year was very, very well. And that last year is still, it will end around March by God. Am I anointed?
Demandez-vous si vous êtes loin.
You listened to my message last year that this is fearful, very, very fearful. And I came out at the beginning of this year, yes, to say last year will end March. And the year will continue to be very, very, very fearful. This month, till this month 27, it will be over. By the end of this month, whether we like it or not, no matter medicine they might have produced it to cure whatever, it will go the way it comes. If it is not medicine that brought this to the world, medicine cannot take it out. It will go the way it. My concern now is not you. My concern is about your career. You can't travel freely. You can't go freely. I know many places you do businesses. You can't go there. Even if you go there, embarrassment you go through is very, very, is too much. The embarrassment. People are now using it in every port of entry, using it to embarrassing people. In every point of entry, all over the world. Whether you like it or not. It's not you per se, but your career is what we are talking about. Your career. And we cannot separate you from your career. We can't separate you from your career. Your career is what we are talking about. You need to travel outside your country. You need to move out. Your friend need to come to you. You need to go to your friend. This is what life is all about. But this Satan has come. And you have children all over the world. Your children are living in different country. Your family are in different country. The peace of heart concerning their peace. This is what we are talking about. So this March, from now to that 27, you have to be in an attitude of prayer. The rain I talk about, it will continue today, tomorrow, and it will just continue. In the night, you see what will happen. But if you say your country does not believe, what of innocent people that are living in your country that are believers? So this is why I'm here, I'm out to talk to you. I was waiting for a resort. And what is the resort? If we say rain will wipe this epidemic out of the earth, it must start from Wuhan, China, where the whole thing started. Right now, it is raining there now. So if you have people there where the coronavirus started, call them. They will tell you it's raining. And this is not supposed to happen in that place at this season, but it is raining. Yes. And what is the purpose? To wipe out this epidemic called coronavirus. Whether you come in contact with the rain or not, that does not matter. You put it on the screen. It's raining in Wahoo. Is it Wahoo? Wahoo, China. Wahoo, China. So it's all over. If there's any story about that epidemic, coronavirus, it's a past tense event. It has become a past tense event. You can still be hearing some story, this, that, but says the Lord. The Lord said to me, the rain will fall. A shower of rain. You know, it's not normal in Nigeria for the rain to fall at this time. How many communities the rain fell yesterday, even in the night in Nigeria. I'll talk of Peru. Peru, read the history of Peru. It was raining yesterday because the Lord said. If the Lord said, who can say no? So that's it. Thank you. So thank you. We are here today. You know what it means. Right now, I was just since yesterday when the Lord brought the revelation about rain, that this rain will wipe all this epidemic coronavirus. And I say, if that is the case, my people, they are Thomas, they must see. If they don't see, they cannot believe. I said to the Lord, this thing should happen in where the coronavirus started, which a place called Wahoo, China. Say, Wahoo. So right now, it is rainy there. So glory be to God. And it will continue till the end of this week. To close it up, it will continue. It must go around the world. Can you say since yesterday that fear is like you don't feel any fear again? If I'm talking to you, let us see your hand. Because if not God, you will have started greeting your brother with leg. Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.